Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Another neat filter that you can use with images is Correct Camera Distortion, which corrects many different distortions that can happen when taking photos. For example, taking a picture of a skyscraper in a large city while on the ground gives you a distorted view of the building. You can correct this by choosing Filter Correct Camera Distortion from the menu bar. In the Correct Camera Distortion dialog box, check the Preview checkbox so that you can see your results as you make changes. The Show Grid checkbox at the bottom of the window lets you display or hide the grid lines. Your correction options are Remove Distortion, which corrects lens barrel, which is a bloated center of an image caused by wide-angle lenses, and Pin Cushion, for images that appear pinched in the center, which can be caused by zoom lenses. Under Vignette, the Amount slider adjusts lightening or darkening around the edges of photos caused by poor lens shading. A lower midpoint value affects more of the image. Under Perspective Control, the Vertical Perspective slider corrects distorted vertical perspectives from a tilted camera. The Horizontal Perspective slider corrects distorted horizontal perspectives from a tilted camera. The Angle setting corrects distortion caused by tilting the camera. This allows you to rotate the image. Under the Edge Extension section, the Scale slider fits your image to scale after correcting perspective. After making your changes, click the OK button in this dialog box to close it and return to the Photoshop image editor.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.